Hello, I want to share with you how to put together a competitive offer and increase your chances of your offer being accepted on any home that you want to purchase. It's really important to find out what the decision maker finds is the most important. So for instance, you want to buy a home, somebody wants to sell a home. We want to ask a lot of questions of the seller or the seller's agent of why they're selling the home, what they think the home is worth, meaning what kind of price are they expecting? What are they going to use the money for? Do they need to buy another home to live in? Is this an investment where they're going to move the money from one to another? The more information that we can gather from the decision maker about what's important to them, that's when we can go back and we can put together a strategy and craft an offer that makes it much more probable for them to say yes to your offer, even in a highly competitive situation. So whether you have one person you're up against or 20 people you're up against, slowing down the process to find out what's important to the decision maker and putting that together in writing in creative ways in order to make it easy for them to say yes is the best winning strategy that you can have. I mean, think about this. If you put yourself in their shoes and you are the one that's looking at different offers, of course you want the highest price. Of course you want the most profit. Of course you want to close as fast as possible with the least amount of risk. So knowing that that is likely the case, find out from the other side what they want, why they want it, and especially what they're going to use the money for and how important that is to them, because then you can put together an offer that has a winning strategy instead of just throwing it against the wall and seeing if it's going to stick. You follow those kind of fundamentals and you give yourself a really good chance of making your dreams of home ownership a reality. And if you want to know more about how to apply different strategies in any market condition or what's applicable to your situation, let's schedule some time, talk a little bit more, and I'll show you how to win any home that you want to purchase. Thanks.